Challenge required on Instagram is a phrase that often pops up when users try to log in, interact, or perform certain actions on the platform. But what does it actually mean? And why does Instagram use it? Let's break it down and explore not just the reasons behind this message, but also what you can do if you encounter it, and how Famety can help keep your social media experience smooth and secure. First, let's understand the basics. Instagram is one of the world's leading social media platforms, with millions of users sharing photos, videos, and stories every day. With so much activity, Instagram puts security at the forefront. The challenge required message is part of that security strategy. It's an automated measure designed to protect accounts from suspicious or potentially harmful activity. When you see challenge required, Instagram is essentially asking you to verify that you are a real user, not a bot or someone attempting to gain unauthorized access. This can happen for a variety of reasons. Maybe you're logging in from a new device or location, or you've just tried to perform an action, like liking, following, or commenting, at a rapid pace. Sometimes, when you use third-party apps or automation tools, Instagram's algorithms flag these activities as potential risks, and as a result, the challenge required prompt appears. So, what exactly happens when you get this message? Instagram will usually ask you to complete a specific task to prove you're the genuine owner of the account. This might involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number, solving a CAPTCHA, or confirming personal details. It's a way to make sure that only authorized users can access and interact with the account. While it might feel frustrating to be interrupted, it's important to remember that this challenge is there to protect your profile and personal information. Instagram is constantly working to keep accounts safe from hackers, spammers, and bots, and these verification steps are one of the tools they rely on. But what if you're a business owner, influencer, or someone who manages multiple social media accounts, and these challenges disrupt your workflow? That's where Famety steps in. With over a decade of experience, Famety has been dedicated to enhancing and securing your social media journey. Our services are designed not only to help you grow your presence with likes, followers, comments, and shares, but also to guide you through the complexities of social media platforms, including Instagram's security processes. If you ever encounter challenge required, here are some practical steps you can take. First, don't panic. Follow the instructions Instagram provides, and make sure you're using a secure device and network. Avoid using third-party automation tools that might trigger Instagram's security protocols. If you're managing multiple accounts, always keep your login information up to date and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Famety also offers live support, so if you're unsure how to proceed, our team is ready to help you navigate these challenges. We understand the importance of keeping your accounts accessible and safe so you can focus on what matters, engaging with your audience, and growing your brand. Challenge required is just one of the many security measures Instagram uses to safeguard its community. As social media evolves, so do the challenges and opportunities. Famety remains committed to providing you with the tools and support you need to thrive on Instagram and beyond. Whether you're looking to boost your engagement or simply want peace of mind, we're here to help you every step of the way. So next time you see challenge required, know that it's Instagram's way of keeping your account secure. With Famety by your side, you can overcome these hurdles and continue building a powerful, authentic online presence, confident that your social media journey is in expert hands.